Hello folks. Today's video is just going to be at our local grocery store, how the shelves are starting to look. Now this was before any of the snow or anything they's calling for. I was just wondering how everybody else's shelves are looking in their grocery stores. Just leave us a comment below, let us know your general location and how your shelves are looking. Alrighty folks, this here was just a quick video today, just for a little update, see how everybody else's stores are doing. Hope you all have a blessed day, and thank you again for watching.